Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum HV301 in Grey Orange, a versatile stick vacuum designed for carpet and hard floor cleaning with swivel steering. If you want powerful, affordable cleaning without battery hassles, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features a 4.2 amp, 500 watt motor providing consistent suction without fading, with 2 speed settings for different surfaces. Weight is approximately 7.5 to 8.2 pounds, making it ultralight for easy maneuvering. The 25 to 30 foot power cord allows cleaning across multiple rooms without changing outlets. Swivel steering provides excellent control in tight spaces and around furniture. The 2-in-1 design converts to a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning on stairs, furniture, and ceilings. Included tools feature a crevice tool for tight spaces, upholstery tool for furniture and pet hair, and a dusting brush for delicate surfaces. The 0.31 quart dust cup is bagless with washable filters, though it's not removable from the motor unit. Real-world users praise its excellent suction power, lightweight design, and versatility for whole home cleaning. Pet owners particularly love its ability to pick up embedded hair from carpets and upholstery. The long cord receives consistent praise for convenience. However, there are notable drawbacks. The top-heavy design prevents it from standing on its own, requiring you to lean it against something when pausing. The non-removable dust cup means you must carry the motor to the trash for emptying. It's noticeably loud during operation. The small dust cup requires frequent emptying, especially with pet hair. The included 5-year limited warranty provides peace of mind. At around $108,169, it offers excellent value compared to pricier cordless alternatives. If you want a lightweight, powerful corded vacuum with excellent pet hair pickup and don't mind the top-heavy design, the Shark HV301 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.